Now, the next one we're going to talk about, let's move all this off to this side, is this one. So remember, it's all about Christmas right now, right? This is, let's get the item out. This is item number 931013. 013. Hi, Mary. Hello, my dear. I'm glad you made it. This is, oh gosh, I got to put all this back. I see I get everything mixed in and then things go crazy. So this is the Merry Christmas Fold It die set. Our word fold its are so incredibly popular. Every time I come out with more fold its, people say, when are you coming out with more word fold its? And I'm like, oh, more coming, more coming. This is Merry Christmas. Of course, you get an idea card. More ideas are on our website. Look at this. See this little code thing? You're going to use your phone, and that's going to take you to our website. Or you can go to our website, stampsoflife.com, and click on HSN up at the top, and our idea gallery will pop up. Okay, so you don't have to worry. Now, this one is really fun because you are getting 3 epoxy sheets of Christmas lights. And I kind of went a little nuts on this because you are getting, how many are you getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 30 large. So you're getting 90 of these. And these are pretty good in size. Let's look at what size these little guys are. These are alone just awesome. Almost an inch. They are almost an inch in size. But look how stinking cute. Those alone are amazingly awesome. But you're also getting dies, huh? Okay, now let's look at what you're getting. You are getting the dies, and we've already die cut everything for you because it makes it easier to see. And we have samples too. I'm going to have lots more samples, my friends, when we do HSN. So make sure you tune in. So here we go. You're going to die cut Merry Christmas. You're going to die cut the shadow. You're going to lay that on top. And then you're going to die cut it. Remember that technique. And it does show you the technique on the instruction card. But look at that. You're going to run it through. If you want it to be a top fold, you're going to do this. Boom, done. There is your card. You're going to die cut 3 things and you have a perfect card, right? Or if you want it to be on a side fold, you're going to put the fold on the side. And look at this. Drop that on top. Drop that on top. And now you have a side fold card. All you're doing is die cutting and gluing. Okay, die cutting and gluing. That is all you are doing is die cutting and gluing. So this is Merry Christmas. Look how cute this is. Now, let me show you the samples. And I see lots of velvet here, lots of velvet bows. So here, look at this one. Merry Christmas. Now, it does not need to be just a shaped card. It does not need to. Yes, this is a different font than we've done in the past. This one is exclusive to HSN. You will not see these anywhere else. You will not get this one anywhere else. This will never be available on my website. This is a different font than I've ever done. Merry Christmas. There's our cute little Christmas lights. But check this out. What? It does not need to be a shaped card. It can be even more than that. Even more than that. Dolores, it does come with small Christmas bulbs on each sheet. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, so 16 little ones on each sheet also. So there's little ones on here as well. So there's one idea. Here's another idea on a big 5x7 card base. Oh, there's our velvet ribbon, by the way. There's our velvet ribbon all the way around. Look how beautiful that is. But Merry Christmas with pink. You know I love this. Mandy, they are not on HSN yet. So please make sure you write down the item number. The item number for this one is 931013. Now here is a gorgeous banner. Look at how beautiful this is. Merry Christmas. So it also makes a great banner. Look at our velvet ribbon again. So gorgeous. I absolutely love that. And let me show you on this camera, bags. So I don't know about you guys, but I do not like to pay money for gift bags. If I do, I reuse them. I think the most I've ever reused a gift bag was like 7 Christmases in a row, because to me, it's just like, why spend the money on that? So buy boring looking craft bags. They are so much cheaper than decorate your own, right? Decorate your own. This could be a Christmas bag. This could be a birthday bag. This could be retirement bag. This could be any kind of bag, depending on what fold it you put on the front, right? Look how cute that is. There's our velvet bow all there. Cute velvet bows here, cute velvet bows here. But now you have made your own Christmas wrapping. Also, there's a cute little tag on here hiding. This is coming up in just a second, this little tag. Well, it's not even a tag. It's something else, but you can make it a tag. But isn't that beautiful? Anna says the bow ribbon set is going to sell out before the end of the debut. Seriously, you know what? I'll be honest. They did order a good amount of them. I made sure because the price will knock your socks off. Because I saw another company do it. It's a big, big, big company. And I'm like, nah, I got that. Challenge accepted. Okay, so this Merry Christmas is item number 931013. Shannon says she always buys blank bags and decorates them. Yes, that is great because it's way less expensive. And it's not as specific, right? If you buy sharks on skateboards, like I might from one of my grandkids, how often are you really going to use that one, right? But if you buy plain bags, you can decorate them any way you want. Yes, so that is really awesome. So that is item number, again, 931. Where'd it go? 931013. Make sure you give us a thumbs up, a heart, and a